So yesterday we have discussed about broadcast receiver and how to get IMA right. So the next step. So here are another topics are there. That four topics, right? So that four we will see here. First, we will concentrate here on a Bluetooth, like how to enable the Bluetooth, how to access the other components that we will see here now. For that, I'll create a project here now. So I'm creating one new project. So that is on the name of Bluetooth. So Bluetooth. So I have created the project name called Bluetooth. So this Bluetooth, no need to worry about this kind of thing because this is then a system level component. So in this, is there any updates will happen from that? So that from like how we seen that the Firebase, Google. So like similar here, even for this Bluetooth also, we will get the code from that official website itself. So and that way simply we can enable here. But here now I want I want to get this code. So I'll how can I get this code? We will see here now. So for this now, like last time, I already told something like I created one app within a 1 hour by using some AI tool, right? So that tool I'll show you here now. See now I'm opening one tool called that is a cursor. So you have to download this cursor on your this. So I have already downloaded in here. So within that now, what happens? We will see here now. So this is the cursor. Yeah. So cursor already downloaded. So I'll open the cursor from here. So from my download here, I have somewhere cursor. Where is that cursor? Cursor. Yeah, here. So I downloaded. Just I'm opening that Cursor Studio. This is like Android Studio. It is similar kind of this one. I'm opening that. So I'm opening that Cursor Studio. So within this now, so this is the cursor, right? Now in this now, I'll open my application. So from here, file, open. So I want to open the project here. So go back in a workspace. This is the one, right? To Bluetooth application. I have opened here this. Now what I need, so I want a Bluetooth application, so that I have to define. So what I need, so I need in XML, so one button, need one button to turn on, turn, means you have here you have to write the proper script, so then automatically the code will be generated here. So I'm writing here, so need one button for Bluetooth turn on and off. So turn on and turn off. Then second button, second button to search available Bluetooth. Then display list with available Bluetooth devices. So like here for this, it required the runtime permission as well. So that's the reason I'm writing here. Also include runtime permissions. Runtime permissions. Now I'm clicking on a enter. See, now it is how the code will be generate. We will see here now. Let's wait and see. So in a few minutes, the code will be generated here. See that read XML is created, main activity is created, means it is adding that files, the builder at Gradle also, whatever it is, changes as adding here. Wait, it will take 2 to 3 minutes time to create that all the things because we added small. If you add a bigger, that it will go, it will take more time. See that files are generating here, adding in XML. See, still it is taking time to add the other things. See, main activity also generating here. After that, we will see the code also there. See, if you observe here in our code, see, automatically whatever it is generating here, those changes are affecting here. Like, see, we're not, while creating only it is empty right now, it is adding one by one all the code here. See now, automatically it is adding. In if you go in check in a manifest file, see the manifest file Bluetooth permission. So these all are the components also added here. This. In a Gradle also, I think something is added in a Gradle also. Okay, not added anything on a Gradle because extra is not required. So I'm putting that keep all. So that all the things will be done here. Now directly first we will run the code will execute or not. First after execution, we will see what is there on a code, but I have to run this code. So just I'm connecting my mobile. Now I'm running this code. We will see. Yeah, it is launching. We will see. See, it is asking the runtime permission, right? Allow permission. So I have allowed the Bluetooth client permission. Now I'm clicking on this. So my Bluetooth is already, I think, on. So it is showing on and off. Yeah, here it is already on. Bluetooth is on, right? So now I'll turn off the Bluetooth. See here automatically it is saying that turn on. See allow permission. See Bluetooth is turned on. Now we can see turn on. Now if I click turn off, it's a turn off. So now I make it is turn on. Now I'm searching for the available devices. See searching. So whatever the searching devices, it is showing here in a list. Right. So this much of simple, but whatever I'm using this cursor, So it is not a free version. So it is the like little bit paid version. Means here in a company level that they can use, but here now turn off is not working, right? They have to be upset that turn off is not working. So turn off is not working. So I'll asking that turn off is not working. And I'm trying to turn off, it is not working, right? So I'm asking again. So like it is checking that what code have to update for that. We keep all right. Now we will rerun this. So we got an issue here. Now what is the issue? So copy this, come back to here, paste here, then automatically it will resolve. So done. Now we will try to run this. Yeah, I think it has run. So now, so what it is written here, turn on. Here better we will write a different way. So change turn on and turn off with two different buttons. So added now. So I'm running now. We will see here. See, turn on, turn off. See, now it became it turn off. Now it turn off. Now I'm clicking on turn on. So it is turned on. So in this way, like we have to do the code. That tool will help like this. So that link I'll share you. So that visor, like cursor. So here now, if you can see what code has generated here now in XML. So button one, turn off Bluetooth, and Bluetooth like search, and available devices text, and below that is a list. Right, for that now it has generated here. So these are the permissions as required here. So permissions are like Bluetooth, Bluetooth admin, Bluetooth connect, Bluetooth scan, and location. These are the permissions. So then here in this now, Bluetooth adapter, just it is added here, Bluetooth adapter. So Bluetooth manager class will be also created, that we will see here. So just declare here. So discoverable devices list, text view, and all everything it find it here. Now permissions. So these are the runtime permissions. Then Bluetooth launcher here, it is checking here. Now object, like this is also extended as a broadcast receiver. So here also we are reading this, we are providing the content. Most this is the example for content provider as well as the broadcast receiver as well. So both it can cover in this. So turn on, so started. It is search for the devices. So search action finished, search completed. Then it will say that. So then UI setup here register. So on dash try, it will close this. So setup like turn on, turn off buttons here. So click on this. Now once you click here, turn on. So it will found the devices. It will search the device. So this code will be automatically like this it generated. So for this now, I think it's one separate class created. So no, in this the Bluetooth class will be updated here within this only handle device found. So this is like based on the version. So it will be here. Find out that. So this is the code it has generated here. Like it is very simple, but you should have some knowledge on a coding. Then only that cursor can help. Otherwise, it cannot be. It cannot be helpful. That is. So that way it will help this cursor. So I'll share you that cursor. So now with this, we did this. Both will be included. Like content provider means here we are providing the content to the other component. And also here we are providing this to this. Right. So along with this now, one more like interview questions. So there are three things pending. Like even this is also like almost we covered. Like in I will explain a little bit more about this one. So that Jetpack Composer. So you have to do one thing like today I have 8 o'clock another client meeting. So that's the reason. Just I'll close after a few minutes today's session. But what you will do is by before the next class, you have to prepare whatever the questions you have. Just you can prepare that questions so that means after this, I'll answer your questions also. So I'll explain about the Jetpack, what is Jetpack Composer, another AI tools which has helping to this, and interview questions. So maybe the 2 to 3 sessions it will take, and you whatever the questions you have, that mostly we will complete our course in next week. So any other questions we have, Sandhya, so far?
No, sir.
Okay, so then practice well. We will see that. Before that, just you can prepare any of the questions that we will discuss.